In the belly of the beast where the cold winds roll. Mental architecture, brick by brick I build. A temple in the project where the promises were killed. I'm digging through the crates of my own subconscious, moving through the shadows where the logic gets obnoxious. Internal mirrors reflecting the block, turning every key until I pick the mental lock. Wisdom is the currency, I'm stacking it high. Beneath the charcoal ceiling in the concrete sky, word to the cipher, we defining the path. Calculating moves like a street level math. Like a street level math. It's the gold in the dust, the knowledge in the grind. Focusing the vision while the world is going blind. From the concrete root to the skyward reach. Every lesson that the pavement and the poverty can teach. Yeah, we striving for the crown, word up. Internal upward mobility, mental agility, leaving the fragility on agility. Leaving the fragility, build them through utility. I saw the trap of the spirit in the bottle of the liquor. Moving through the matrix, making my vision quicker. They wanna cage the thought, put a lock on the mind, but they can't catch a ghost that they never could find. I'm the architect of every single step that I take, knowing every bridge is a choice that I make. Peace to the hustlers who trade in the light, keep the vision steady in the dead of the night. It's a chess move, kid, never just game a chance. In the middle of the rhythm, in the middle of dance.